I've got a pile of whatnot stuff I got here, like a mail call from several different sellers. Getting ready to go to a show this weekend, Great Lakes Comic Convention. And big announcement about my 100 subscriber giveaway coming up at the end of this video. Hey, I'm Lynn. Thanks for checking out my comic closet. I'm going to show a couple of things here that I got on the way home from up north. I stopped at a little shop that's a collectible shop in Clio called Collectibles Unlimited. A couple weeks ago, I was on my way back home from up north. My comic corner. And they happened to have, I stopped in there because I was looking for a Silver Surfer 15 or any Silver Surfer. But this, which is the partial reprint of Giant Size X-Men #1, classic X-Men #1. I thought it was kind of cool. It was like, I think it was $8. And then there's Spider-Man 152, which is Appearance of the Shocker. And this was a $10 book. Pretty nice shape. Looks like somebody tried to press it. Kind of has a miswrap on it there, but early Spider-Man, 152, not bad. And then I'm going to be going to the Great Lakes Comic Con this weekend on the 24th, which this should be out on. It's my birthday, so I'm going to go there and see if I can find some books I'm looking for. But William Mednerloeb is going to be there, and he wrote these books, Johnny Quest. This is Johnny Quest 4. Which is some Dave Stevens art. I think I'm gonna have him sign at least a couple of these. 6, and then this is number 7. And then my daughter is actually in Colombia right now with her husband, and we had my birthday last weekend, and she got me this Amazing Spider-Man hardcover edition, which is first 20 issues of Spider-Man, Amazing Fantasy 15, and then Amazing Spider-Man 1 through 19. It's a really nice book, bound in red, and we got the gold pages, and it's just it's an actual reprint. Looks like the letters pages, and a lot of times these have extra stuff. I haven't really looked at it that much yet, but I was looking at one. Actually, I think it might have been at Koi's Comics. But and she got this for me for my birthday the other day, which was really nice. And she also got, I'll put this somewhere where it doesn't get mangled. Got it right there. Actually, she bought me some bags and boards. But when she got them, the boards were fine, but the bag was open and the bags all dumped out. So she said they were all bent. So she returned them. Got them from Amazon. So here are some more silver bags. I got boards somewhere. I just had a pile of bags and boards sitting here. I've got all up here, just their number one issues that are signature series and 9/8. I happen to pull out. I know I'm getting some stuff here that I got on Whatnot. So get into one of those here really quick. So we have here, this is Erod 212. I bought these from him, I don't know, last week. I had some stuff kind of sitting here building up. So if I pop a couple of these things open, see what I got in here. I don't even remember what I got anymore. Pull these out of the way here. So First book I got from Erod here was Micronauts #1, which shows I paid $15. The first appearance of Acro Year, Bug, Baron Karza. I didn't really have much. I've got a couple of Micronauts books, not #1. And I do have, I think, Bug #1. But, you know, I think a good book to have. A lot of that stuff coming back for nostalgia purposes. And then I have Tales to Astonish, #57. It's a Giant Man and the Wonderful Wasp and the Trail of Spider-Man. This one a little chunk out of the corner up here. But I paid $45. $45 for this early Spider-Man appearance. Tales to Astonish 57. And then we have Star Wars #107, which is the last issue of Star Wars. This set, and this no print run, hard to find. $50. Is that what I have on here? $59. I don't have much Star Wars. I have some. I like Star Wars, the original especially, the original trilogy, but Fantastic Four #80. Guest starring Wyatt Wingfoot. I paid $18 for that. There. She said. Classic cover, Daredevil #43. Kirby Goodness, Daredevil fighting Captain America. Daredevil 43, classic Daredevil versus Captain America cover. I paid $75. It's pretty good shape. You know, it's got some damage in the corner, kind of blunted up here, but it is. It's a classic cover. Always wanted that. So we have next Page of Spider-Man 238, which I believe he said the tattoos were not in here, but it's the first appearance of the Hobgoblin, newsstand edition. Oh, it's missing the Marvel value stamp. I did pay $160 for it. But yeah, it's first Hobgoblin, I think Ned Leeds. I don't know if he was revealed as Ned Leeds yet. But it's a good book. Uncanny X-Men, #140. Oh, Wendigo appearance, $11. Fantastic Four, 93. No description, but it's just early Fantastic Four thing in the Arena of Death. $15. And then last in this package is Uncanny X-Men 124. The Proletarian with You Have to Understand Classes, We're Your Friends. $12. John Byrne and Chris Claremont goodness. So, got cool books. And I think this other one here is also from Erod, so let's get that open and check it out. There are some good deals to be had on Whatnot. Haven't been on there yet. Now we get on there and check and see how many people are in the auction. It's good to know kind of what prices you're looking at. A lot of times you get some previews of what they're going to have. They'll show them on Instagram, or sometimes they have their buy it now stuff, which is the stuff that they're going to run, or they have auction stuff listed. And you can check out before the auction actually starts. So you can look and see. But a lot of them, they run them quick. You know, you just bid until you're bid for what you want to get. Try to have a little control of my bidding. So, package, the new rod. Left in an envelope. Inside of a nice, not really a type of Gemini mailer, I guess. So, alright. Pull these out of the way. Let's just go with it this way. So this is Strange Tales, featuring Brother Voodoo, Strange Tales 170. Strange Tales 170, the second appearance of Brother Voodoo. I paid $100. Of course, you know he's going to show up in a Doctor Strange movie. Then I have, Invaders King Size Annual number 1. Nice Nazi cover on there. King Size Annual Invaders number 1. Oh, this might have been the giveaway. I did win a giveaway the other night there. Oh no, there's the Invaders Annual number 1 right there. $25. And that's right. G.I. Joe Snake Eyes, 142, newsstand edition, hard to find edition, paid $20. DC Comics presents Superman and the Masters of the Universe. Newsstand edition, first He-Man in comics, $135. So we did that one up some. Yeah, that's a big book. Another classic cover, Untitled X-Men 268, $26. Newsstand edition, Jim Lee cover. Black Widow, Captain America, Wolverine. Amazing Spider-Man $7.97. $26. Oh, it's a Del Otto Fan Expo variant. Cool looking book. It's got a Fan Expo sticker on the back. This was the giveaway book. Darkwing Duck Sketch Edition. Got the COA on the back, 340 of 600, which I bought the set of these, which was this book, the Sketch Edition, and then the Virgin cover, which is just like this, and then the trade dress. And I just happened to win this the other night when I was at on his auction. You know, if you get enough giveaways, you should hit something. All right, Power of Warlock number 1. That of the Man Beast. what I have here, I saw that. Power of Warlock number 1, Origin of Warlock, $35. And last of the Raw books, Fantastic Four number 85, in this tortured land. Fantastic Four 85, $10. Silver Age goodness. It's got some staining. Not in the greatest shape, but it's readable. Nice reader copy. So that's all those Raw books from Erod there. Then I'll show, get this out of the bag here, so I can show the books in the bag. It is Mighty Thor 165, Power of Him, which is the first appearance of him, which is Adam Warlock, but he became him. So when I got that, $180 for the 4.0, so it's, you know, low mid-grade. But first appearance of him, all those other books, I thought it was a pretty good deal. Appreciate you checking me out here at my Comics Closet. I'd appreciate if you give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Got my 100 subscribers now, so I'm gonna do my giveaway. My next video, I'm gonna have you tell you how to do the giveaway. We give away one of these 2 books, either Venom 26, Legends of the Dark Knight, number 63, both triple signed. So keep watching here in my Comic Closet, where we take comics and comic collecting right out of the closet. Thank you.